To merge layers in Photoshop, it's very easy to do. So make sure that you have both of your layers in your file. Make sure you have them separated, but then organize them in the way that you want. I just have this Snapchat logo right on top of an iPhone. And what you want to do is make sure you have both layers selected. So I have one selected, and then you're going to hold Shift and click. That way both are selected currently. Go up to the Layers tab at the very top of the screen and drop all the way down until you see merge layers, and it also has a hotkey if you want to hit Command E. So we're going to click that, and then as you see, the layers joined one. So now you have one layer. That was the two layers, and it's very easy to do, and now you can manipulate this any way you want. And if you do want to undo this, what you would have to do is go up to Edit and hit Undo or Command Z. So we can Command Z until the layers separate, and they are now two separate layers. So that is how you would merge layers in Photoshop. Hope you guys liked the video. See you next time.